Exercise 16A. All units in this exercise are in SI unit. Question 1 to 14 involve motion along a straight line. The letter S represents the displacement of the body at time t from a fixed point O on the line. The letters V and A represent the velocity and the acceleration of the body at time where t is a positive number. Question 1 to 3. I leave it to you. I will show question 4, 5, 6. You are given vector. You are given V, the velocity is 6t squared. Okay, find V when t is equal to 2. So, question number 4. Let's say V is equal to 6t squared. So, when t is equal to 2, so V is equal to 6 times 2 squared. So 4 times 6 is 24 meters per second. Okay, question number 5. V equal to t cubed. Okay, so how to find A? Okay, remember as V A, if you move like this, so you need to differentiate. If you go back, then you need to integrate. So from V to A, you need to differentiate. So find A is differentiate dV with respect to dt. So differentiate V, so you get d 3t squared. So when t is equal to 2, A is equal to 3 times 2 square. So 4 times 3 is 12 meters per second square. Question number 6. V is 4t plus 5. S is 10 meters when t is equal to 1. Okay, so the question is find S when t is equal to 2. So you want to find V, you want to find S from V. So it means you need to integrate. So integrate V, so you will get S. So integrate 4t plus 5 with respect to dt. So you get 4t squared divided by 2, 5t plus c. This one you can simplify, becomes 2. Okay, now you have plus c. Plus c, you must use the given information in the question. So what is the given information? Okay, this is the given information. So you have S, right? So S is equal to 10 when t is equal to 1. So you just substitute and then you find C. So C is 10 minus 2 minus 5. So your answer is 3. Once you get 3, then you substitute back into the question. I rewrite the answer here. 2t squared plus 5t plus 3. Okay, then the next question, find S when t is equal to 2. So, when t is equal to 2, S is 2 times 2, 5, 2 plus 3. So 2 times 4 plus 10 plus 3 is equal to 21 meters. So this is your final answer. Okay, question number 11. Okay, you are given S. Okay, question number 1. Find S when t is equal to 3. So this one is just simple. You just substitute 3 into S, and then you just calculate by using your calculator. So your answer would be minus 21 times 9 and then plus 180. So your answer is 45 meters. Find the value of t when the body is at rest. So you know that when the body is at rest means your v is equal to 0. But the question gives you s. So how do you want to find v? To find v, you need to differentiate s with respect to dt. So you just differentiate, get 60 squared minus 42t plus 6. Okay, so when find the values of t, you know that v is equal to 0, so this one is equals to 0. You just factorize degree 2. So just use your calculator and then your answer should be t is equal to 5 and 2. Okay, you have the values of t, so means that you have more than one value. Okay, C. What is the initial velocity of the body? So initial means that the starting point. So when does it start? It starts when your t is equal to 0. So you means that you want to find v. What is v when t is equal to 0? So you just substitute 0 into the earlier equation. So your answer would be 60 meters per second. Okay, and then D, an expression for the acceleration. So you want to find A. Again, you need to differentiate. V. Okay, so find A is dv over dt. I'm using the equation here up here. So I will get straight away t minus 42. So this is the expression 12t minus 42. Okay, what is the initial acceleration? Initial acceleration means the starting point, means your when t is equal to 0. So when t is equal to 0, what is A? So you just substitute t equal to 0. So you get negative 42 meters per second square. Question number 13. You are given V and S when t is equal to 1. So this is the given information. Question A. What is the initial velocity? So initial velocity means when your t is equal to 0. So Fv is already given. So you just substitute t0 here. Okay, so you will get 0 minus 2 is negative 2 times with negative 4 is 8 meters per second. Okay, B. What is the values of t when the body is at rest? Again, V must be equal to 0 because it is at rest. So when V is equal to 0, find t. So t minus 2. Then we have t minus 4 is equal to 0. So this one is already factorized, so it is much more easy. Just equal to 0. So t is equal to 2 over 3 and 4. Okay, C. What is the acceleration? So from V to A, you need to differentiate. So A is dv over dt. So you straight away differentiate V. How do you differentiate V? It's by using product rule, or you can expand this and then differentiate. So, but if let's say we just use the product rule, much more easier. Okay, differentiate t minus 4 is 1. Okay, and then plus differentiate the early bracket, you get 3, and then you have t minus 1. So you will get 3t minus 2 plus 3t minus 12. So 6t minus 40. The question is when t is equal to 3. So just substitute when t is equal to 3, a is 6, 18 minus 4. So 18 minus 4 is 4 meter per second square. Okay, last question. Find the distance the body is from O. Okay, what is the distance? So when we mention about distance, means the displacement when t is equal to. So we need to find S. You are given V, you need to find S. So it means that you need to integrate VT. So integrate V. Again, you can use any technique that you have learned before. But to integrate, I think it's much more easier if we just expand this rather than using any other method. So we get 3t square minus 12t minus 2t plus 8dt. So yeah, so we need to 3 over 3. This is 14t plus 8t plus c. This one we can just simplify. So we get 7t plus c. What are the given information? We go back to the question. The question is plus c, then this is must be from the question. So s is equal to, this is s is equal to 8 when t is equal to 1. So we just substitute. So c here is equal to, we have 8 minus 1 plus 7 minus 8. So c is equal to 6. Then we substitute back here. So s is equal to minus 7t plus 8t plus 6. So when t is equal to 2, what is s? So you just substitute. So your answer would be 2 meters. The last question, you are given A. Initially the body is at rest at 0. Okay, initially the body is at rest. When mentioned about it is rest, so it means at 0. Initially means t is equal to 0. At O means your s is equal to 0. The position is at 0. Okay, find the velocity when t is equal to 3 and the distance the body is then from 0. It means you need to find V2 when t is equal to 3. I'm leaving this question to you to solve and we will discuss in class.